Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a cracked iPhone screen by yourself. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. You will need the following items: a new iPhone screen replacement kit, which you can buy online, a hairdryer or a heat gun to soften the adhesive, a clean and flat work surface, preferably covered with a soft cloth or a mat, a plastic bag or a container to store the screws and other components. Now, follow these steps. Step 1. Turn off your iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Step 2. Heat up the edges of the screen for about a minute to loosen the adhesive. Step 3. Use the suction cup to lift the screen slightly and insert the spudger between the screen and the frame. Gently pry the screen open, but do not detach it completely, as there are some cables that connect the screen to the motherboard. Step 4. Use the screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the metal plate that covers the screen connectors. Then, use the spudger to disconnect the 3 cables that connect the screen to the motherboard. You can now remove the old screen and set it aside. Step 5. Use the screwdriver to remove the 6 screws that secure the home button, the earpiece speaker, the front camera, and the sensors to the old screen. Then, use the spudger to carefully transfer these components to the new screen. Make sure you align them correctly and don't damage any cables or connectors. Step 6. Peel off the protective film from the back of the new screen and the adhesive strips from the edges. Then, reconnect the 3 cables that connect the new screen to the motherboard and secure them with the metal plate and the 4 screws. Step 7. Align the new screen with the frame and press it down firmly along the edges until it snaps into place. You may need to reheat the adhesive slightly to make it stick better. Step 8. Turn on your iPhone and test the new screen. Make sure everything works properly. If you encounter any problems, you may need to recheck the connections or contact the seller of the screen replacement kit for assistance. Step 9. Insert the SIM card tray back into your iPhone and enjoy your newly repaired device. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos.